Okay guys, I got a little goodie in the mail today. And one of the perks about being a leader in the company that I'm with is that you get to, and probably some of the other companies, I'm not real sure, but you get to try things before they even come out. And I got a sample of something that's coming out probably next month, but I'm getting to try it before it even comes on the market. And let me tell you about this. This is like, you're gonna want this. It's got everything in it. Like all of the goodies that you want in your skincare is in this. Now this is not the bottle that's gonna look like when we are selling it, manufacturing it, well, however we do it. It's gonna be a very pretty, clean, nice looking bottle. But I got a sample of this stuff. Let me tell you what is in this. And this is my skin. I just washed it. Nothing else is on my skin. So I want you to be sure and look. All my wrinkles. I took a day 1 photo. So I'm going to go back and forth and I'm going to do like a day 1, a day 7, day 14. I want you to follow me on this journey. Also, I'm putting it on my left hand only. So today was day 1 of my left hand. My right hand, I did not put any on it. So we will see the difference of these as the weeks come on. So let me tell you what is in this little pretty penny. Tretinoin. We all know, everybody loves some retin A. GHK-Cu. Now this is a powerful peptide copper complex that boosts collagen and elastin, improves firmness, and supports skin healing. Niacinamide. Vitamin B3 that strengthens the skin barrier, reduces pigmentation, shrinks pores, and improves elasticity and hydration. Vitamin C. A stable form of vitamin C that brightens the skin tone, stimulates collagen, and offers antioxidant protection without irritation. Hyaluronic acid. Now we have 2 different weights of hyaluronic acid in this. This is a moisture binding molecule. We have a low weight and a medium molecular weight that plumps in the skin and improves elasticity and smoothness. Also, exosomes. These are plant-derived extracellular vesicles that stimulate collagen, tightens contours, and enhance skin density and vitality. Splanthol, a natural muscle relaxant that smooths expression lines and softens tension around your eyes, mouth, and forehead. Think about what else people put around these areas. This is like a temporary that. NAD. This is a coenzyme critical for DNA repair and cellular energy, replenishes aging cells, improves texture, and promotes skin renewal. And because a lot of these molecules, our skin can only absorb like so much, like so big of a molecule. We have advanced absorption technology in this, proprietary to EllieMD, that enhances penetration of active ingredients into deeper layers where true transformation begins. You're not going to get this anywhere else. So let me show you. A little bit, I'm sure, is going to go a long way. So I'm just going to do 2 pumps, like pea size, rub it together. I'm going to make sure I get those targeted spots, and then I'm going to rub, that was plenty. 2 pumps was plenty for my face. I'm going to concentrate on those areas of my lines and wrinkles. And then, yeah. So what you're going to see, day 1 down. So if you're interested in being on my list for this product, you can follow me along, but I suggest you get with me because this is going to be something that you want. So I look forward to hearing from you. See y'all later.